Hey there, what is up guys? Welcome back. Today's tutorial will show you how to add subscriber newsletter for Elementor. Enjoying our videos? Consider dropping a like or a sub. It only takes a second of your time and it helps the channel a lot. With that said, let's dive into the video. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open your WordPress. As you can see on the screen, click on Edit with Elementor. On your page, scroll all the way down to the bottom where you can add the newsletter section. Next, hit Ctrl-Shift-L to open your library. In your library, click on Blocks. Next, choose a category under Blocks and choose Subscribe. The next page will show you the results and the options you can choose. Keep in mind you'll need WordPress Pro to actually use these templates. After you've subscribed, you can now use these templates freely and will be able to add that subscribe button where you can put your website's newsletter. It's that simple. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell button. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.